isa kasing ibinabanat sa inyo ng iba ay paano kayo magpapatakbo ng DILG na malaking bahagi dyan ay mga LGUs?
Yes.
At isang problema sa LGUs ay mga dynasties
Yes.
na kinokopong pati yung mga local economies, no? Doon sa
Tama.
mga lugar nila. Eh, nanggaling ka rin sa isang sikat, if not notorious na dynasty, no? So, ang tanong nila ay, how can you do that, no? Yung contradiction ng mga LGUs na medyo feudal pa. Kultura, yung sistema.
Guilty as charged.
Hmm.
I am part of a dynasty.
Yes.
Hindi ko tatago yan. I will not skirt behind the phrase of define a dynasty. Walang ganon. I am part of a dynasty. I am my father's son.
Yeah.
I am my brother's brothers, and my nephews are there too. Ang pinagkaiba siguro ay yung focus namin as a family, ang ethic namin towards making the province grow. Nakita nyo ng pagkakaiba ng Cavite nung dati at saka ngayon. And that was not driven out of only geography, but by policy and by governance. So, doon nakikita pagkaiba. Pero, pag sabihin ng batas na napasang anti-dynasty law, edi pack-up shooting na kami. Wala na, di ba? You'll
Hindi
be the
naman
first
totally.
ones.
Paano?
Well,
Yung lumalabas na version ay yung mas less antagonistic version.
for whatever it is, I
yeah.
think there are other talents that can take over. And kung ano man version ng batas, we are
Yeah.
ready naman to comply. Hindi naman kami natatakot na mawala dyan eh.
So hindi to tension between you and the president na nagtulak
No,
nitong
not at all.
anti-dynasty bill.
Not at all. I was the first one to agree. No? Sabi niyang priority to, yes sir, I think you should be.
Yeah.
Kasi nabihan ko rin yung mga pamangkin ko, handa na kayo umalis ha. Hindi atin to, di ba? After all, we're all stewards in this position. And di ba, pinapaupulan tayo sa upuan na yan. Sandali lang yan. Kung mga families nung 1990s na sikat nun, halos 3/4 wala na ngayon eh. Nagpapalit yan eh. Dynasties will, all of them crumble at one point or another under its own weight. Di ba?